Hi all, today I'll be making chole. So for that I have taken some kabuli chana and soaked it whole night, and next day in the morning I have discarded the water and added fresh water and 1 star anise, bay leaf and a tea bag, and I have cooked it well. Now take a pan, add some oil and little bit of fennel seeds, clove and 1 cardamom, and then you have to add onions to it and cook it well. And once it is cooked, I have added ginger garlic cubes over here. You can observe that that is a ginger garlic paste that I have made prior, and I have kept it in the freezer. So now when it is cooked well, you have to add chole masala, turmeric, chili powder, and stir it well very quickly. Because the masalas are very dry, so you have to add little bit of water also to it and then cook it well. And once it is cooked, you have to add a tomato puree to it. And when the tomato puree is getting cooked, you have to add salt and a little bit of sugar. Sugar will cut down the sourness from the tomatoes. That's the reason you will be adding some sugar also to it. So you have to cook it well, and once it is cooked well, you have to add chole, that is the cooked chole, into this one. So close the lid and then cook it properly. Once it is cooked well, the oil will be oozed out. You can see that the oil is oozed out. Add kasuri methi also into this one. When the oil is oozed out, it is almost done. Now to this I will be making some special tadka. So for that you have to take a pan, hot oil into it, and then you have to add some chili powder and kasuri methi into that oil, and then add it as a tempering on top of this chole. This will taste really good, guys, so please try it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.